Hello. I hope that you were able to take advantage of some downtime earlier this week during non-class days on Monday and Tuesday. Thank you to all of our students who bookended their travel away and back to campus with our free student testing. Because of your continued good behaviors, IUP continues to see relatively small number of students who test positive for COVID-19 and continued good news about the number of students who have recovered from the virus. Thank you for taking care of yourselves and others. Please don't let down your guard. I think we are all ready for this virus to be done, but we must stay the course. We are seeing more cases in our region, and we all need to be vigilant. Avoid large gatherings, continue to wear a mask, stay socially distant, wash your hands. I'd like to share my personal experience about being exposed to COVID-19 and waiting for testing results. Last month, I visited family in Michigan. It was my mom's 80th birthday, so I had to go. After returning to Indiana, I learned that 2 family members with whom I had had close contact were diagnosed with COVID. Now, I learned about the exposure after the 2-week window that health experts identify as the time when exposed individuals could become sick. And I didn't have any symptoms, but I didn't want to take any chances. I got a test on Saturday and started self-isolating. I got my test results, which were negative, early on Wednesday morning, and my family members are recovering fine. The test was easy and painless. My worries were baseless. If I had been smarter, I would have been tested as soon as I returned instead of waiting until I heard about the possible exposure. Please don't hesitate to take advantage of our free on-campus student testing if you have any concerns about possible exposure to the virus. Pennsylvania Governor Tom Wolf announced that all Pennsylvanians will be eligible to receive the COVID-19 vaccine starting April 19. Employees and students, I encourage you to consult with your healthcare provider to determine if the vaccine is right for you. We have checked with Indiana Regional Medical Center, and international students are eligible for the vaccine through IRMC. The IUP website has links to the registration information, or you can go directly to the IRMC website. I'm scheduled for my first vaccine shot next Thursday. IUP does not have plans to require vaccines for its students and employees. However, for now, including May commencement and for at least the summer months, our social distancing and face covering requirements remain in place. Students, summer is a great opportunity to catch up with your coursework or to try something new. Registration is already well underway for summer sessions, and fall open registration begins today. Please make sure to work with your advisor as you plan your academic schedule. To help you, we have extended the pass-fail deadline for the spring semester to May 7th. Please visit the Office of the Registrar's website for more information and details about the pass-fail procedure. As you are planning your summer, students, I strongly encourage you to think about U-SOAR, the undergraduate summer opportunity for applying research. If you've ever thought about taking on a research or creative project, this is your chance. Applications for U-SOAR are now open. Check out the website for more information. This is one of my favorite weeks at IUP, Research Appreciation Week. While the programs were remote, the events were very well organized and well attended. The first STEM Women's Summit was especially impressive, featuring 7 outstanding women scientists, 4 of them IUP Distinguished Alumni Award winners. Also impressive was the outstanding scholarship and research showcased in the annual Scholars Forum and the 3-minute thesis competition. Congratulations to these event organizers, to all of the winners of the competitions, and thank you to everyone who participated in this great programming. And speaking of winners, I am very happy to take this opportunity to congratulate Susan Adams, a junior geology major from Fayette County, who was selected for a Goldwater scholarship. She is IUP's 12th Goldwater scholarship recipient. Congratulations also to her advisor, Dr. John Lewis. Securing nationally competitive awards like the Goldwater highlights both our outstanding and talented students and our faculty commitment to advising and mentoring. I also congratulate Vincent Thompson, a physics and mathematics graduate who received a Goldwater scholarship in 2020 and is currently a part-time graduate student in the Masters in Applied Mathematics program. Vincent, who is finalizing plans to start a PhD in mathematics in fall 2021, has been selected for a National Science Foundation Graduate Research Fellowship. This is a very, very competitive scholarship. Less than 15% of the applicants receive the funding, which supports 3 years of graduate study. He is the first recipient of this scholarship for study in mathematics and only the second IUP student in the last 20 years chosen for this award. And IUP and I are also proud of Marissa Willson, a senior anthropology major in the Cook Honors College, graduating in May, who is the first IUP student selected for a Pittsburgh Urban Leadership Service Experience Fellowship. Pulse has as its mission to cultivate a community of young servant leaders to transform Pittsburgh through a year of service to nonprofit organizations in the city. Thank you in advance for your service, Marissa. These success stories, just 3 of many more, demonstrate that even a global pandemic can't keep IUP Hawks from achieving in significant and meaningful ways. As we're talking about good things, I want to thank everyone who participated in yesterday's Giving Day. Your gifts make a big difference in the lives of our students. I also recognize the continued support for the IUP Student Assistance Fund. Donations grow by the thousands every week. This fund helps students who are financially impacted by the pandemic, and more than 600 students have been assisted since March 2020. Members of the IUP community continue to impress me with their selflessness and their generosity to our students and our university. Thank you. Today, I encourage you to take part in the Intersectionality Works, Allyship, Coalition, Solidarity mini-conference scheduled from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Sponsored by the Social Equity and Title IX Office, it will feature guest speaker Melinda Quinn Brennan, and it will discuss intersectionality and how it can inspire a broad conversation about working together as community members with a shared purpose. If you cannot join the live discussions, the keynote presentation will be recorded and posted online. I'm looking forward to it. Have a great day and enjoy your weekend. Stay well. Wash your hands.